Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying storage and permissions so the app can write files. This avoids failures. Next, find the audio sources, downloads, phone folders, or cloud. Tap the app's import or add tool and choose folders or drag files if supported. Once done, watch the import queue begin. Pause or cancel specific files if misdetected. Stay focused on file types the app accepts, MP3, OGG, FLAC, and convert unsupported formats before continuing. You now organize the incoming songs so retrieval is effortless. Move tracks into playlists or album folders. Use bulk select to save time. Make sure to edit metadata, title, artist, album, year, and genre, because accurate tags power search and smart playlists. Once done, add cover art and normalize audio levels if the app supports it. That prevents jarring volume jumps. Also set whether each track stays downloaded or streams to control storage use and offline access. You finish by syncing across your devices so any edits propagate. Enable cloud backup if available. Export a library backup or copy the music folders to a cloud drive for recovery. Once done, test playback on a secondary device and verify offline tracks play without network. If a file won't play or metadata disappears, clear the app cache, re-import the specific files, and confirm permissions. This troubleshooting step fixes most import and playback issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.